What's up guys? This is Dr. Ron, your Master Vet. Sa araw na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang adolescent period ng inyong mga alagang puppy sa bahay. Ano ang mga dapat nyong malaman at tandaan? Without any interruption, let's start. The most challenging time of raising a puppy ay tinatawag nating adolescent period. Yung mga dogs, parang teenagers din sila, makukulit, ayaw sumunod sa mga pinag-uutos. It begins about 8 months old and continue till 2 years old. What are those noticeable changes na nakikita natin during this period? Number 1, becoming bigger and stronger. So yung mga tuta habang lumalaki din yung katawan at nagiging malakas. Number 2, exhibiting stubborn behavior. Habang lumalaki yung tuta, nagiging matigas din yung ulo. Number 3, desire to begin exploring outside. So may mga tuta na gustong lumabas ng bahay, na gustong makipaglaro, makisalamuha sa ibang dogs sa labas ng bahay. One of the common mistake ng mga pet owners is to give their puppies too much freedom too soon. Yung mga young puppies have an innate desire to be near you, and this give owners a false sense of security. As your dog gets older and more confident, your dog will no longer stay close to you. Gusto lang maglaro, at kung minsan tinuturuan mo pero hindi ikaw sinusunod. So we have numerous strategies for dealing dogs' adolescence, both before it starts and during the. So what are the numerous strategies for dealing with a dog's adolescence, both before it starts and during the phase? We have 6. Number 1, train your puppy. Mas mabuti na bata pa yung puppy, kailangan malaman niya na kailangan i-train mo na siya. We have basic commands like sit, down, stay, calm, and so on and so forth. And kailangan consistent ka sa pagtuturo sa kanya hanggang lumaki siya. But especially when your puppy is very young, kailangan malaman niya kung ano yung mga dapat niyang matutunan sa'yo. Positive reinforcement is very essential. Make sure you reward your puppy with appropriate treatment when your puppy succeeds. Kung sinusunod ka niya, mas maigi na bigyan mo siya ng reward. If you have cookies or biscuits, mas maigi. Number 2, self-control. Turuan mo siya na magtimpe. Napakahalaga nito. For example, nilalaro niya yung tsinelas, ninangat-ngat niya. You can tell to your puppy to stop. You can raise your voice so you have that authority at malaman niya na galit ikaw sa kanya. Because this will transfer into other areas of your dog's life. Pwede niya itong madala sa paglaki niya. Number 3, introduce your puppy to a crate. Tinatawag nating crate training. And this is very important to remember because this will give your dog a safe place to relax. Hindi lang mag-relax yung dog mo. Kailangan matutunan niya, masanay siya na nasa loob ng crate. Especially kung lalabas ka para maiwan mo siya, nandun lang siya sa loob at makaiwas na makipag-away sa ibang aso. Number 4, practice obedience. As your puppy gets older, kailangan continuous lang yung pagtuturo mo sa kanya ng mga basic obedient skills para hindi niya ito makalimutan pagtanda niya. At Number 5, puppy chewing and teething. So, keep those puppy safe chew toys during adolescent period. Kung inaakala mo na magtatapos na yung ugali ng puppy mo na nagngangat-ngat na dahil lalabas na yung adult teeth about 6 months, dun kayo nagkakamali. Kasi may tinatawag tayong secondary chewing phase. So it's between 8 months to 10 months when yung adult teeth settle in jaws. So lumalabas yung tinatawag na adult teeth at patuloy pa din na nagngangat-ngat. Kung patuloy pa din na nagngangat-ngat yung dog, give your puppy a toy or mas maigi na ilagay mo siya sa cage. And the last one is mental and physical exercise. Pwede kang makipaglaro sa kanya. Maglaro kayo, pwede sa loob or sa labas ng bahay. Kung ilalabas siya ng bahay, see to it na well-vaccinated yung puppy to avoid getting any kind of infections outside of your house. So those are numerous strategies for dealing with dog adolescence, both before it starts and during the phase. What are these again? Number 1, train your puppy. Number 2, self-control. Number 3, introduce your puppy to a crate. Number 4, practice obedience. Number 5, puppy chewing and teething. And the last one is mental and physical exercise. Hoping may natutunan kayo sa araw nito sa akin. Thank you for watching, guys. This is Dr. Ron, your master vet. Good day and God bless all. Bye!